National President Joga National People's Party NPP u Conrad K Sangma u bariru umitri rangba jong jela hakasngi balang uloong ba wan hadin bagaliang pasha galakno ba ke NPP kala shukor ye ki paidbah haka baidei bat ka issue pen put Henry kata nang bun pen ban ki MDC bat ki nongelam jong ki we ki party ke belawan ban yeso shaka party ya ka new Conrad ulakran ha state conference jongka National People Youth Front ka belong hene ke singi balang ha sosotham auditorium harangkat ka jinga donlang de ki phongut ki MLA bat ki MDC jongka NPP nalo ki nongelam jongki samla nakileng ki benta jongka jela Nakaliang jong usambut Menteri Rangba ubadeiru u National Vice President oba Preston Tensong uloong bateng-teng kisngau do mensem bha ladape ye ke jengken tho haki yutiut Henry Kim judo jengkermen pat pantre haka nega singi la yo ru ye ke jengkeren na State President ka NPP u Dr. WR Kharluki badeiru u MP Lok Sabha nangta na u National General Secretary u James K Sangma Menteri Katnat ka kot ka khia uba kitbolang nongrem State President NPYF harangkat ke jingadon lang jan baro ki MLA but ki MDC jong ke NPP.
The youth is not just important for the party, but your youth is very, very critical for the present and for the future generation of our nation. Are you here today as the NPP youth just to be in the party and join the party? Are you here today as the NPP youth because you want to get some work or contract? Or are you here today as the NPP youth to build the nation, to serve the youth, to be a person who will contribute to doing something good for the people? And I believe that each and every one of you here today is here for the larger purpose and larger goal, which is to serve the people of our state, to build our state, to build our organization, to build this country. And that is a mindset with which we all must work. I take this opportunity today to welcome our young leaders who have joined the party in the last 3-4 months. It's been a continuous process. Young MDCs from different constituencies have come and joined us. Many leaders from different political parties have joined us. This clearly shows that the people have faith in the National People's Party today. And that is why I welcome all these young leaders from different political parties, elected representatives, MDCs, who have joined the National People's Party. Today, opposition, mostly the main opposition party, talks about the National People's Party and talks about a government. Statement was made by their leader that NPP has cheated the people of the state. My friends, if we had cheated the people of the state, people would not be leaving their party and joining our party. They need to question themselves. They need to question themselves and see what they are doing or what they have done. I saw many statements coming out by different organizations and different leaders, different political parties, especially the opposition, again saying that we cheated the people, we left them out. My friends, when we took a decision on this border issue, when we had to move forward, yes, it was not an easy decision for us. It was a very, very difficult decision to take. But I sat with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We sat with the cabinet colleagues, with the party leaders. And there was this one line that was there in my mind. I don't know why it came. It's from a movie. Our Honorable Deputy CM spoke about acting and actors and movies. And there was one line that came from a movie. And that line was a simple line that said, what we do today echoes in eternity. What we do today echoes in eternity. 20 years, 30 years from today, if Honorable Deputy CM and myself and the other cabinet colleagues and other people in the party would look back and say that we missed that opportunity to have made a difference in the people's lives, to have resolved that issue when we knew we could do it and we didn't do it, I think we would have such a guilty conscience and we would be regretting that we did not take that opportunity. Yes, at this point in time, a lot of people will talk because it's not an easy decision. For 50 years, nobody dared to touch it because we know the challenges. But we remember that what we do today will echo in eternity. 20 years from tomorrow, from today, we will look back and we will either be satisfied and say, yes, we did it. Or we will look back 20 years from now and say, why didn't we do it? I choose the first one. That yes, we have taken this decision and we have moved forward. And as I said, it's not the easiest decision. But I can tell you, whatever we did has been always keeping the interests of the people in our minds.